Most people don't fail because they're unlucky. They fail because they optimize for comfort.
This is the architect, and if you're comfortable right now, you might not like what he's about to say. That's a strong accusation.
It's structural. If your life is built to avoid uncertainty, you will never experience exponential outcomes.
Break that down.
Growth lives in uncertainty. Comfort eliminates uncertainty. So when you choose comfort, you eliminate growth. Rockets don't leave Earth by staying stable.
What does comfortable life look like?
Predictable income, predictable expenses, predictable stress, predictable ceiling. If your lifestyle expands at the same speed as your income, you are building a cage with better furniture.
People want to look successful.
That's the trap. Looking successful buys validation. Being powerful buys optionality. Validation is loud. Optionality is quiet.
Did you ever fall into it?
Of course, early success feels intoxicating. Stable contracts, predictable growth, recognition, until I realized, if the system disappears, so do I. Comfort was protecting my ego, not my future.
Not everyone can take risks. People have responsibilities.
Responsibility is why leverage matters. Leaving without leverage is reckless. Staying without leverage is slow surrender.
That's harsh.
Reality usually is.
Why do intelligent people stay stuck?
Because they can calculate risk, but calculation becomes paralysis. Fear sounds sophisticated when it uses spreadsheets. Comfort anesthetizes urgency.
So what does the architect do?
3 pillars. 1. Reduce dependency. If one income disappears, your life shouldn't collapse. 2. Build leverage. Assets, systems, ownership. 3. Delay gratification aggressively. If you crave it now, wait.
So comfort is bad?
No. Comfort is a reward, but most people make the reward the objective. They pursue lifestyle before architecture, consumption before control, visibility before durability, and then everything feels fragile.
Final message?
You don't need more inspiration, you need more ownership. You don't need a bigger lifestyle, you need stronger foundations. If your comfort can be taken away, it was never yours. If your stability depends on permission, it isn't stability. Most people aren't trapped by the world, they're trapped by predictability. Stop decorating your cage, start engineering your exit.
If this made you uncomfortable, good. That means you're thinking.
And if you want more conversations that challenge comfort, destroy illusions, and build real control,
then don't just watch.
join the cartel,
Hit that subscribe button like your comfort depends on it.
because it probably does.
Welcome to Money Cartel. Subscribe to Money Cartel. Not because I asked, because it finally made sense.